What's up everyone, Kate here from Beyond the Box. Welcome back to my channel. Today I got something super cool on my desk and I'm really excited to talk about today because I love VR and I think this might be the coolest piece of technology to come out of 2019 and maybe even the decade. I'm talking about the Oculus Quest, Facebook's first all-in-one VR experience. And when I say all-in-one VR, I basically mean you don't need a high-end gaming PC, there's no wires attached, this is completely wireless, and you can basically take this thing wherever you want to go. And the really cool thing is you don't need extra sensors all around your room. All the sensors are encapsulated in this headset. So they act as cameras and sensors, kind of like the old sensors on the Oculus Rift S that you would have to place around the room and have a ton of cords around the room. Didn't really like that, so I kind of passed. And I got the PSVR, and you still had to have one camera, and you couldn't really turn around, you couldn't look away, you couldn't even spin without tripping over the cord, and when you spun, the camera wouldn't keep you on camera. So I really didn't like that either. It really took me out of the experience. I always had to stand straight. I really didn't like it. So I stopped playing VR for a long time, to be honest with you, until I heard about this, the Oculus Quest, which is supposed to be the world's first completely cordless, basically this thing is supposed to give you a PC VR quality headset experience for a lot less and a lot less money. The retail is $399 for the 64GB model, and the 128GB model is $499. Now I initially bought the 64GB model, and then within a week of playing with it, I decided to take it back and upgrade it for the 128 model because I was already over 50% of my memory space done. So yeah, I definitely am glad that I did that because I think I have about 45 gigabytes used already, and I've only been using it for about 3 months. I've been using this thing in and out every single day, so it makes sense. But let's check in what you got inside the box. So you got the VR headset itself, the 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, a power adapter, an eyeglass spacer, and a charging cable. So pretty much your basic standard stuff. You don't need anything else other than that. And yeah, so this model was made in August 2019, so they're not really making that many models. So when it sold out this year, it sold out pretty quickly for the holidays. So if you guys got one for the holiday season, you guys are really lucky because these were going on sale on eBay for about 200% its total cost. I was finding them anywhere around $800 to about $1,200 on eBay. So if you got one for the holidays, you're really lucky. But so yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. So I really like taking this with me when I travel because it's really compact. And actually, before we get into anything else, I really like this case because everything I have for this headset really fits in here. This is an extra $40. It's the Oculus Quest carrying case, but it really fits in really tightly into my backpack, which is really nice because it's really small and firm, and it feels safe when it's in there. And I like taking it with me when I travel because I travel a lot, and I like pulling it out in the hotel room and maybe watching a movie. So now you can see the box is open, and this is basically all you're gonna see from a top-down perspective. There's not a lot to it. They made it pretty clean. I've obviously unboxed this before because I've been using this on and off for the past 3 months, so it's got some pretty hard use. Avoid the scratches and ignore all that. But other than that, this is gonna be a pretty basic standard unboxing experience. Yeah, so I've used this quite a bit, but it's got this little piece of cardboard in the middle that says, before you do anything else, go download the Oculus app, which you definitely should because you can't use it without it. So basically, you got these 2 nice 1440 by 1600 OLED displays in here, which are really nice because they give you a really nice dark black when you're watching movies. So that's a lot better than other headsets on the market. Most headsets don't have OLED displays right now, so it's really nice. It's a big upgrade for me because I really like watching movies. Right now, this is one of my favorite things to do, is just lay in bed and watch some good movies. Watching The Mandalorian on Disney Plus through virtual desktop is one of my favorite things to do. So anyway, let's see. So you got basically the USB-C charger right here. You got these 4 camera sensors, boom, 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 boom. You got the 2 audio jacks, 1 on each side, so if you have individual headphones, you can stick them through. But I just like using Bluetooth and using my AirPod that Colorware gave me. So yeah, they match with the VR headset. They're all black. Shout out to Colorware. Thank you for the headphones. And yeah, but I think that's all. You got this. You got the eye slider down here, and I think mine is a 68 millimeters. Comment down below what your eye distance is. let's see, we got the 2 touch controllers, and I do quite like these a lot, to be honest with you. I never really liked the design of the old touch controllers. Let's move this out of the way for right now. So I actually really like the touch controllers. They remind me a lot of a PlayStation controller or an Xbox controller, and it reminds me a lot for like gunplay when you're in a VR game and you're using a gun. It's pretty much the same feel in my mind, so it's really nice for me. They also just added the hand tracking thing in the most recent update, so that's really cool, but there's no games using it yet, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm really liking these touch controllers. The new design is a lot better, in my opinion, than what it used to be with the under design. And yeah, I mean, I've hit these a few times on the walls playing, but it's really fun. They haven't really slid out of my hands. I don't necessarily use these straps. I actually use some other straps that I got from a third party. I'll link those down below if you're interested. But yeah, I really like the touch controllers. They feel really nice. They're really tactile and they give a lot of good feedback. And what's really cool is whenever you put your hands on, whenever you put these, let's see if I can get this to focus in the camera. Whenever you put your hand on this, on the joystick here, in the game, it will actually barely go down. If you only have to press, on it. It will just know your finger's there. It will sense the pressure. It's actually crazy. It's literally crazy. I'm literally playing with it. Sometimes when I'm in the movie theater, I'm just like, wow, that's crazy. So anyway, yeah, it's really cool. I really like the touch controllers. By the way, they take AA batteries and they do slide in and out just like this. I currently put AA batteries in that are rechargeable, so if you guys have any rechargeable batteries, I definitely recommend those because you'll be using quite a bit. Let's move this out of the way and let's get the last little thing out of the box, the tiny box, which you're gonna find the power brick, the big wire to charge everything, which I've already opened up, so we'll just put that down there, and the eyeglass spacer. Now, forgive the bad quality unboxing. I promise I'll get better in my next videos. But yeah, this is the eyeglass spacer, and yeah, if you need that, that's great. So anyway, yeah, so I've been using this for about 3 months, and I'm really happy with it so far. My one gripe is that it's a little heavy in the front, but I've had to get some comfort mods that you can find on like eBay or like Amazon, and it'll basically put like padding on the back or anything like that. But all in all, I'm really happy with the design. I'm really happy with what it is to begin with. It's really cool how you can take it basically anywhere you want to go. And I think that's the biggest selling point for me is the inside out tracking. That was a big deal for me when I bought this. Oh, and by the way, the really cool part is Oculus decided that they were going to allow you to use a link cable to basically make this a Rift S. So you got 2 headsets now because you bought the one. That's when I bought this thing. At Oculus Connect 6, it made me so happy. I literally bought it the very next day. So yeah, I'm really happy with my purchase. Maybe I'll make another video, put some gameplay in or something. Maybe I'll show, I don't know how to record gameplay in this thing yet. But yeah, I'm really liking the headset so far. It fits really nice on your head. And it's actually not fit for my head right now because I have, like I said, comfort mods for it over there. But yeah, so I'm really liking this headset. So I've been having a really good time with this Oculus Quest, and I've been really enjoying my time, and I don't really have much to say negative about it. So yeah, I'm looking to get a VR railgun to attach the touch controllers for Pavlov, which is coming out this month. So for all you new Questers, you guys are gonna have a ton of fun. It's basically Call of Duty in VR, and I'm really excited for that. Some of my other favorite games are Vader Immortal and Pistol Whip, and if I'm feeling crazy, I like Google Tilt Brush. My favorite apps to watch movies right now are big screen and then virtual desktop when I'm watching The Mandalorian on Disney+. But yeah, that basically sums up the review. I hope you guys liked the video. Please leave a like if you did. Smash that thumbs up button. It really shows the YouTube gods that you like my content and you want to see more. But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.